Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys techno mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to hide photos in techno mobile. Friends, you want to hide photos in your techno mobile. So friends, now let's see how to hide photos one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all, go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, in your techno mobile, you want to use photos hide setting, so you can use on your phone Google file, tap here image, which photo you want to hide, screenshot photo, your camera photos, your download photos, you can select and you can hide. So friends, I will select my photos. So friends, I will select my camera's photos, 2 and 3 4 5 photos I will select. Right side tap here, three dot, move to save folder, tap here, select your save folder, password, type pattern and pin. Friends, I will use pattern. Draw 5 dots pattern. If you draw 4 dots pattern, you cannot hide your photos. Draw 5 dots pattern. Next, again draw your pattern. Next, got it? Photo will hide in your device. Come back here. After hide photos, open your phone save folder, draw pattern. You can check your hide photos. So like that friends, you can hide photos in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to unhide photos, so you can unhide photos in Tecno mobile. Select your photo, right side click here, three dot, move to save folder, photo will unhide. And friends, I have two photos in my save folder. Friends, you want to delete your save folder, so friends, you will have to on your file app info setting. And friends, by mistake if you clear data, so friends, you can check your save folder, password will delete and your data will delete. So friends, before clear data, first of all remove your photo video from save folder, then clear data. Because if you clear data, after clear data, if you on your Google file, so you can check your save folder, password will delete and your photo video will delete, and you cannot restore your photo video. So like that friends, you can use photos hide setting in Tecno mobile. And friends, you can hide photos with your privacy password also. Tap here, wallet option, enter your wallet password. After enter password, select your photos and you can use your photos hide setting with your privacy password also. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.